Hello, I had a question about doing a quad stretch when you can't kneel. So maybe for somebody who's got any knee pathologies or have had a knee replacement or anything like that, there are two ways we can do that. In the studio using the ladder barrel, and then also just using a chair, which people can do at home. So here's the ladder barrel version. I have a standing platform here because I'm a shorty, but you can always take that out. You're going to bring your two thighs next to each other, and then you're going to tuck your tail under slightly, and you're just going to gently push back. So the whole idea is to get the top of that quad stretched as well as down towards the knee. And it's also going to accommodate for people's different knee flexion. What can sometimes happen is that the hamstring gets a cramp. So just stretch out the inner thighs, because it's often not the hamstring, it's actually the intersection between the hamstring and that inner thigh, and they just get jammed up when you come into this position. Foot cramp, the same thing, just release it and just try a couple of times, okay? So you're just going to hold that there. And then the same on the other side. So the two thighs directly next to each other. I always encourage people to squeeze together as much as they are able, allowing the pelvis to tuck so that you can really open up the top of the thigh as well, and then just ease back into the stretch. So you're going to hold that for maybe 20 seconds or so on each side, and I usually try and get people to do that twice each side just to get a bit of movement. So I'll just move that out the way. When I'm using a chair, it's usually, sorry, I don't have any chairs in my house. This is the only chair I have. I've got a floor living lifestyle, but I use this when I massage. So I'm just going to use this one. Most chairs will probably be a little bit lower than this, but you want to be able to hold on to something, hop the leg forward again until both legs are parallel to each other, just resting the shin on the chair, tucking under, and then you can just ease back a little bit, and again you can open up through the front of that thigh. So no pressure on the knee there at all with either of those two exercises. So hopefully that clarifies it for you.